Healthcare is going through one of the most uncertain and disruptive periods in the industry's recent history. You have these strong headwinds in the form of wage inflation, increases in costs from tariffs in some cases, and now, given some of the activity that we're seeing in Congress, some real threat to the top line revenue in the form of cuts to government reimbursement. There are a lot of healthcare CEOs out there waking up in the middle of the night concerned and maybe even overwhelmed by what this might do to their margins and profitability. The incredible dichotomy, though, of this moment is that perhaps, and maybe just in the nick of time, you have all these emerging tools and technologies that can create breakthrough productivity gains in your business. Virtual communication, AI and automation, tools to leverage data, approaches to offshoring, and more of a prioritization around the retention of your workforce. Rallyday was really designed for this moment in many ways. In COVID, the big piece of relief for a lot of businesses that were suffering were the PPP loans. Well, we have our own PPP relief at Rallyday. We call it Purpose, People, and Productivity. We're leaning in with founders to modify their purpose to really establish that vision that's the North Star for their organization that can help lead in really difficult and uncertain times. We also invest heavily in people scaling of your organization. So that means setting up scalable cultural frameworks, providing training around leadership development that will allow you to build a brand in this marketplace that is the destination for the best people in your category of the industry. If you can attract and retain the best talent in your category, you can create real organizational resilience in your industry and take share in any environment. And then finally, Rallyday has a lot of experience implementing a lot of these tools, technologies, AI, and outsourcing techniques that can make your business more productive so you can do a lot more with less and cut right through those industry headwinds. We really think that these periods of uncertainty are great times to build if you've got the right partner. And Rallyday is excited to partner with companies and their leaders who are enabling this productivity revolution and adopting this productivity revolution as well.